Welcome to Lecto. Today we are going to discuss topoisomerase inhibitors. So basically, this is a category of the anti-cancer drug, or you can say this is an other way to kill the cancer cells by inhibiting the topoisomerase. So topoisomerase is basically an important enzyme in the reduction in the supercoiling of the DNA when the DNA go through the replication, or you can say go through the transcription phase. So if you see here, this is the structures of the DNA. Okay, so actually unwinding DNA consists of two strand double helix form. So basically uncoiling of the DNA happens through the enzyme, and that enzyme, cute enzyme, is the helicase. Helicase enzyme basically unwind the DNA molecule. Okay, when the DNA molecule starts unwinding, then what will happen? Then the torsion effects of the DNA in the DNA will increase, and in that scenario you will see in the forward direction you will see the enhancement of the supercoiling. In that case, coiling. Okay, now that is an important problem, and we have to reduce the torsion in the DNA. Okay, so to do that, there are basically the two most important enzymes that actually reduce the enhanced supercoiling or enhanced torsional effect. So basically that enzyme is the topoisomerase that actually maintain the topology of the DNA. Okay, so basically we categorize the topoisomerase into two, topoisomerase I and the topoisomerase II. So if you see here, this enzyme is basically the topoisomerase I, and here is the topoisomerase II. Okay, so basically topoisomerase I break the one strand of the DNA. That is the most important. Break one strand of the DNA. But on the opposite side, topoisomerase break the both strands of the DNA. That's the most important thing. And by breaking the DNA strand, the torsional effect will reduce. Okay, if you see here, in that case you will see the torsional effect is high. Okay, when you see the breakage of the DNA, and after that they reduce the torsional effect by again joining the DNA strand. Okay, that is how topoisomerase reduce the torsional effect, and you can easily see the replication or the transcription happens with the help of the topoisomerase. Okay, so in that case you will see the most important function. So we have to stop the replication of the DNA, and ultimately we have to stop the division of the cell. If we stop these enzymes, topoisomerase I, topoisomerase II, then what will happen? And then ultimately this torsional effect will exist. Okay, and ultimately there is no replication. When there is no replication of the DNA, there is no division of the cell, and that is our main focus in the cancer therapy. We just have to stop the division of the cancer cells. Okay, if you see the cell cycle has basically four phases: G1, S, G2 and M phase. And as we know that the synthesis of the DNA or the replications of the DNA happens in the S phase, and that is our most important concept. So basically this enzyme will act in the S phase, because in S phase you will see the replication of the DNA. Okay, and specifically these drugs, topoisomerase inhibitors, will act on the S phase to stop the replications of the DNA and ultimately division of the cell. So if we discuss two most important things, two most important genus of the plant, that is the Camptophica and Podophyllum. So basically we extract the camptothecin from the Camptophica plant, and Podophyllum we will extract the Podophylltoxin from the Podophyllum genus of the plant. Okay, and ultimately these extract will used in the synthesis of the different drugs that will actually act as topoisomerase inhibitor. So camptothecin, you will see most important, Irinotecan, and second is the Topotecan. These are basically the two most important topoisomerase inhibitors. And in the second case, you will see the etoposide and the teniposide. So basically they extract from the plant. They are actually the natural sources. Okay. So Irinotecan, Topotecan basically inhibit the topoisomerase enzyme 1. That's the most important thing. So basically here is the enzyme, and that is the topoisomerase 1, and that enzyme will cut the one strands of the DNA, and when you will see the breakage of the one strand of the DNA, then the ultimately torsional effect will reduce. That will helpful in the replication and the transcriptions of the DNA. Okay, but when we take these drugs, Irinotecan and the Topotecan, then what will happen? These drugs will act on the topoisomerase 1 and inhibit this enzyme. Okay, now what will happen? In that case, the torsional effect will retain, and ultimately there is no replication of the DNA. When there is no replication of the DNA, now the DNA will not replicate. When there is no replication of the DNA, then there is no division of the cell, and ultimately the cell go toward the apoptosis. Okay, apoptosis, cell death. Okay, that is the most important thing. Okay, on the other hand, etoposide and teniposides, they will block the topoisomerase 2. Here is the topoisomerase 2. Now this topoisomerase 2 breaks the both strands of the DNA, okay, to reduce the torsional effect of the DNA. Okay, and in this case, you will see when we take the etoposide and the teniposide, then these drugs actually block this enzyme, topoisomerase 2. When you see the blockage of the topoisomerase 2 enzyme, then what will happen? Then ultimately the torsional effect will retain, and there is no synthesis of the, or there is no replication of the DNA, and ultimately you will see there is no synthesis of the DNA, and ultimately the cell go toward the apoptosis. And in that case, we can stop the synthesis or the division of the cell in that case. Okay, this is how topoisomerase inhibitors block the topoisomerase enzymes. Okay, so if we see the clinical uses of these drugs, so first we Irinotecan, that is most important, used in the colorectal cancer. Okay, Topotecan actually used along with the 5-fluorouracil, okay, that is actually used in the lung cancer or for the ovarian cancer, metastatic ovarian cancer. That is the use of the Topotecan. Okay, etoposides basically used along with the bleomycin, okay, anti-cisplatin. They are actually used in the testicular carcinoma. Testicular carcinoma. So here are basically the different uses of the different topoisomerase inhibitors. So if we look at the adverse effects of the topoisomerase inhibitor, so common adverse effects related to the R topoisomerase, that most important is the myelosuppression. Myelosuppression, suppression of the bone marrow, and ultimately the cell lineage. Specifically, you will see most important neutropenia, low count of the neutrophil. Okay, and you will see the nausea along with the vomiting. Okay, these are basically the general adverse effect. So a specific adverse effect related to the irinotecan, that is the diarrhea. Diarrhea is the most important adverse effect related to the irinotecan. Acute and the chronic, that can happen suddenly or with the passage of the time. So in that case, you will see the loperamide, Imodium, that is actually used for the diarrhea. Okay, and etoposides, you will see the hypotension. Okay, in the etoposide usage, you will see the hypotension, and you can also see the alopecia in that case. That is the most important adverse effect related to the etoposide. And most important thing which you have to remember about the etoposide, etoposides can cause the secondary malignancy. So actually etoposide used in the treatment of the cancer, but it can also cause the cancer as well, specifically leukemia. So actually that is why it is called, it can cause the secondary malignancy. Okay, so this is all about the topoisomerase inhibitor. If you still have any question, you may ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.